What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, please smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, I want to come back to you real quick with a quick just update on LeadsLeap. This system, they have a free version and they have a paid version. They call the Pro. All right, so I just wanted to show you guys, I've been talking about this for a minute, some results that this thing is bringing in. This is a tool, okay? LeadsLeap is a tool. It's a software, okay? I've added this to my toolbox, okay? In addition to some other things I've got. But this is a new addition, and I've actually been using it and learning something new every week, okay? Because it's a lot of great features, a lot of great value in this little system. If you become a Pro member, it's only $23, guys, a month. And of course, you can earn residual on that. Even the free membership, you can earn 25% commission for folks that upgrade to the Pro. If you're a Pro member, you earn 50% commission, all right? But I'm not even in it for that. I'm in it because of the value it brings, okay? Of course, you get more bells and whistles if you go Pro, but you can get started as a free member. Now, what I've been doing, and I showed you guys, I created some capture pages, a whole funnel, actually, a sales funnel from this system. I've made a couple for DWP. I've made a few for what I call the copy paste method.com system, IPS. Okay, so I've been working on a few things. The whole funnel, we've got the email series, we got the capture page, and we have the sales page, okay? And I've tied traffic into the funnel, okay? So it's actually producing. But I want to show you guys a little feature that this system has, which is pretty neat, okay, pretty dope. Check it out. Let me show you something. Hang on. Now, this is another page I created, okay, in LeadsLeap. Now, if you look right here, they have this little picture here. This is always going to show up on their pages. So they're always promoting on my behalf. So when someone goes to this capture page, if they decide they want to click here, guess what? It goes to my page. It's coded to me, okay? Now, what I've added up here, if you take a look, this is what's called an ad bar, okay? This system, LeadsLeap, gives you the opportunity to add ad bars to the pages you create, okay? So I did that. And this takes them to Mega Marketing Pro. Okay, guys, so it's pretty cool. So that's something I've done. Let me show you something else. LeadsLeap has all these lead magnets. Here's another lead magnet, okay, right here. And again, I put an ad bar up here on this page. And this is a lead magnet that you can just give away. There's no opt-in with this, okay? They can just download it, okay? But right here, again, I'm marketing, always marketing myself as well as them marketing. Now over here, as you can see, they're advertising for the members. All the Pro members, you're able to post 10 ads, and LeadsLeap will promote all your business opportunities in the network, guys. It's an awesome tool, okay? Here's another page I created in LeadsLeap. Right here, check it out. These are nice. Okay, we got traffic running to the other one right now. Now check this one out. Discover the exact system I'm using to earn weekly commissions online without needing any products or website or doing any personal selling. Another page they've got, guys. These are some nice pages that they have in here, and this is going to help. Think about it. When folks go into this system, they get the system. Number one, if they go Pro, you earn 50% commissions, but you can promote any business opportunity, okay? And now you have them on your email list. Okay, it's about lead generation. Leads is what turned into sales. So you've got to have leads. Start collecting leads. Okay, I don't want this channel for me to be a commission junkie channel where we're just showing money. Okay, how do you make the money, right? I want to help people learn that process. Get in the mind frame of lead generation, systems, tools. I need systems and tools. Get this in your head. You need systems and tools to make the money. Okay, once you get your system set up, it's going to be on autopilot. All you got to do is drive the traffic to it, eyeballs of people that's interested in making money. Okay, this is first and foremost. You've got to have lead generation. Okay, system. Think about it. When you go to these fast food restaurants, they have a system in place. Even though we're not saying the service is always great, right? But they have a system no matter where you go in the world. When you go to your McDonald's, right? They have a system in place, the way they do things systematically. The fries, the burgers, the cashier, everything is systematic. So wherever you go in the world, it's going to be the same. Like clockwork, assembly line, okay? Never changes. Now the service may not be the same worldwide, but they have the system. It's duplicatable. And that's what we do online. Duplication, okay? So we set the systems up, drive traffic, and that's how we get leads, and then leads turn into sales, all right? So this system does work, all right? See, they have all these lead magnets that you give away for free, okay, in return for folks' emails, right? Names and emails, and that gets them into the system that's going to introduce them to your business opportunity. So another lead magnet. These are awesome. So let's take a look here. Let's go over to right here, Warrior Plus. I earned $33.96 today. Okay, I'm using one of their traffic sources here. Okay, and just see $33.96 because I have this system in place, right? And so folks click that button that says traffic. They want to buy traffic, and every time they do that, I make commissions because I have the system in place. You send people to a video. Let's take a look at something. Hang on. Prime example, this particular funnel here that I have set up for DWP. Right here it says click here to activate your money system. Of course, I've got this picture here. All right. Then folks see this. Click the button below, unlock your traffic. They click there and they buy traffic. Now just think about it. What's so cool about this? Someone may say, oh, I got an opportunity, but guess what? I want to buy this traffic. Okay, but they've already opted into my funnel, so that's fine. I can always market to them. They're always still going to get the email series. But guess what? Before they leave this page, I still earn commission because they decided, well, you know what? I'm going to buy traffic for this other business opportunity that I got. That's fine too. So I still made a commission. And or they come down and they say, well, I want this page. I want this funnel because I want to use it for my business. Okay, so they click here, they sign up for LeadsLeap, whether it's free or the pro, right? Now, they are one of my members, again, that I can still promote to because now they're in the LeadsLeap system. Okay, because remember, they opted in, so I already have them as a lead. And now I have them as a LeadsLeap member with their real information, because if they're going to use this system, they're going to, if they created an account for this, they want to use the system, right? So now I have a real email, right? So I can always promote to these folks. So this does work, guys. All right, this definitely does work. Look at this, 6:42 a.m. I was most definitely asleep. LeadsLeap, congratulations, you just got a new referral. Okay, so the system works the way I have it set up. All right, so if you're interested in getting started in either one of the programs, whether it's DWP, IPS, MAP, okay, EXITUS, any of those, you have to be a paid member of one of those programs. If you join me in those opportunities, I will give you the share code okay, for those pages and the funnels that I created through LeadsLeap. Okay, guys. So just want to show you guys that this definitely works if you put it into motion, put it into action. Just signing up is not going to work. You have to actually execute your plan. Okay, you have to take action and put it into play. So thank you so much for checking out the video. Just want to keep you guys updated on what's going on. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, guys, till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.